So the whole idea of this exercise is to make this car look good. So it's really important when you're attaching a patch panel onto a fender like this that you make sure everything's straight. So this tool here, I actually made this tool to screed concrete with when I was getting ready to pour the slab in the shop. I made this tool and ended up not using it because I hired a crew to come in and place the concrete and finish it for me. I was going to do it myself, so I didn't need this. But I just realized, hey, this thing's nice and straight. It's it's going to come in handy for this kind of stuff. So so you can see it's not touching the rocker panel, but it's parallel to the rocker panel, more or less. It does get a little wider down at the bottom there, or the back rather, but it's parallel all along here. So that means I've got it clamped onto the fender, and it's sandwiching this here. This is overlapped. I'm not gonna weld it on overlapped. I'm gonna trim it back and butt weld it, but and I'll show you when I cut this out to fit. I'm going to leave a little tab here on the fender where this cleco is. So there'll be a little piece of tin sticking out where that hole is. And I'm going to leave that there. And I'm going to kind of bend it back a little bit. And then weld this all on. Then I can get it in behind there and break it off after. And then flush that out, that area out. I'll tack it along here, and then once it's all tacked, I can get in there, I can reach up in the back, and I'll be able to break that little piece off. Anyways, so right now it's pretty important. Make sure you got everything where it's supposed to be, and then I'm going to put another cleco right here. Then I'll take this off, and I've got a vice grip holding the bottom, and it's all going to be ready, lined up, just where I want it.